Hey, scribers, just want to make a video here bringing in infrared pictures into a ScribeWare report. I'm all done with my report. I just got one more item to review, so I'm going to bring my infrared pictures in. So I'm in my mobile media box. That's the one with the little phone icon right down here. And I hit the plus mark at the top. And that's kind of a backdoor to my computer. And this is a bunch of images from my pictures folder, but here's my HIC micro, right? So I can click on this, click on this one, and we'll click on this and this folder here. So now I got my images up. I'm going to go down to the bottom. This one was not a good picture, but I'm going to highlight the last one, then I'm going to scroll up until I've kind of got all of the ones that are relevant to this job. So that starts with this dryer. So then I'm going to hit the shift key and highlight that and see how they all turn blue. So I used the shift key and then highlighted the first one from the last one, and then I hit open, and that brings all my infrared pictures in. All right, hope that helps.